Fishing is a part-time hobby for many, and tools of the trade are often hunted by those enthusiasts. What do they look for? It's often a curious question to have, so here we have found 10 cool gadgets you should try out. Welcome to the channel, subscribe, and let's dive in. The coolest fishing gloves ever. I could have benefited greatly from having a set of gloves like this at numerous points over the years. It goes without saying that they free up your hands so you may handle the net and your fishing pole in opposite hands. The light will be sufficient for you to see what you are doing at the same time. I got myself 3 pairs since I adore them so much. They are a great convenience for providing you with a ton of light in the dark. Material that is both cozy and light. It is simple to stretch the material to make it fit your hand. These gloves for fishing light are simple to use. They are excellent for fishing, but you can also use them for outdoor pursuits like camping, hunting, car maintenance, and other things. Submersible fishing LED light. Finding the fish will be made easier by the LED underwater fish light, which also provides a useful working light. These unique fishing accessories can be utilized when fishing from the shore as well as when fishing from boats. With these extremely bright LED lights, you can lure fish to your favorite fishing place. Moreover, they come in white and blue. Several sizes and color variations of LEDs are available. The actual light has a 5-sided, 360-degree exposure. The brightness of 900 lumens, and ultra-efficient battery usage. It will have an 8x longer lifespan than a standard halogen bulb. It can operate for up to 50,000 hours, which is a very long time. Portable Bluetooth wireless fish finder. Your iOS or Android phone will function flawlessly with these amazing fishing accessories. It can be applied to rivers, lakes, and the ocean, regardless of whether you're fishing from a boat or the shore. These innovative fishing tools will find fish in the water and inform you of their approximate size. You can choose from a variety of wireless fish finder models. Also, it will offer other details like water depth, bottom contour, water temperature, and fish position. Powered by a lithium-ion rechargeable battery with a 10-hour battery life. Fish up to 50 feet deep can be found by detention at a 90-degree angle. These fishing tools enable you to precisely identify and display adjacent schools of fish as well as small and large fish. Shoulder crossbody fishing tackle bag. It fits neatly over your chest and is the fishing tackle bag you possess. You will enjoy it since it makes all of your fishing equipment that is close at hand easily accessible. Never will you have to search for what you require. All of your lures, fish finders, extra line, pliers, and other fishing equipment are kept in the bag. The shoulder bag has a ton of pockets that you can use. 2 of them can be used solely for your phone and your keys. You'll constantly be aware of their location. It fastens to a locking strap that secures it, which makes wearing it quite simple. No matter where you fish, this tackle bag can store and protect all of your fishing equipment. It won't be too difficult for you to transport it to various locations. It's a really practical bag to have because it's simple to use, carry, and use. Floating waterproof cellular phone case. You still need to use your phone when fishing. You run the risk of dropping your phone into the water if you are fishing from a boat or along the bank. It is no longer a concern thanks to this floating waterproof phone case. The phone case in question is made of 2 layers of excellent PVD plastic. You can buy them at Amazon here. They come in a variety of colors and suit the majority of phones. Even some of them can accommodate a tablet. It offers your phone the finest waterproof protection. If it falls into the water, it will float to the top rather than sink to the bottom and go unnoticed. It will fit most phones because it is a universal phone cover, including popular phones and many others. With it, you can even record videos and snap images underwater. Long-sleeve fisherman shirt with ruler on forearm. You will be protected from the weather by wearing long-sleeve fishing t-shirts with rulers on the arm. When you're out fishing, this shirt not only looks good but also tells you the size of the fish you caught. The design of these fishing t-shirts was created by talented designers and screen printers, and they are manufactured in the USA, among other amazing qualities. They come in sizes that are both men's and women's. You can always know the size of the fish you have caught thanks to the distinctive 16-foot ruler on the forearm, which is printed to scale. Since that fishing permits can be very expensive, I prefer this aspect the most. Made in Pineville, North Carolina, utilizing QCM screen printing inks and 100% polyester. USB rechargeable fishing headlamp. If you like to go night fishing, these headlamps are fantastic to have. Nothing is worse than attempting to fish at night. These headlamps are available as headwear or as clip-on devices. Your hands will be free to complete tasks thanks to them. These used to annoy me since I was constantly forgetting to get new batteries for them. So, you guessed it, I didn't have any light the following time I went fishing. These are highly practical now that you can recharge them via any USB port. And since I can now charge them fairly rapidly, it is not a problem if I forget to charge them. Fishing rod holder with auto hook setter. As soon as you receive a nibble, these automatic fishing rod holders will go into motion. When the hook is set, the fishing rod will spring up. Don't miss another mouthful. After setting it, you simply sit back and watch for it to start working. Even if it only served one purpose, it would still rank among the best fishing equipment ever. Your hands are freed up, which makes fishing simpler. The sizes and models of automatic fishing post holders vary. Yet, these fishing tools have a supplementary function. Every time you receive a bite, it immediately sets the hook. This makes it one of the helpful fishing equipment in your fishing arsenal if you are fishing from the bank. USB waterproof dual-port solar charger. This dual-port waterproof solar USB charger, the last gadget on our list of the top 10 incredible fishing gadgets, is waterproof and solar-powered. To keep all of our gadgets charged when traveling, this is unquestionably something that needs to be in your tackle box. Being outside by the water or in the middle of a lake without a place to recharge could be harmful because we are constantly on the go. You can use this device to recharge your phone, your fishing lures, your lamp, and any other USB fishing equipment you may have. You will never run out of power because it has a built-in solar panel that will keep it charging all day. Solar panel and a 300,000 mAh power bank. Two USB ports make it simple to simultaneously charge two fishing accessories. It includes a powerful LED light. It contains a security CPU system to guard against overloading, overheating, and overcharging of your gadgets. The best fishing gear to have if you're going to be out of range of a charging station is this: rechargeable USB fishing lures. With these fantastic rechargeable fishing lures, we'll begin our list of the top 10 incredible fishing gadgets. The water will quiver, flash, and buzz as a result of these incredible rechargeable fishing lures. Other fish adore chasing after them because they resemble wounded fish. Rechargeable fishing lure types come in a variety of designs. Both daytime and nighttime fishing is possible with their services. In the ocean, a lake, a river, a stream, or the surf. These lures work well for catching fish wherever there is water. The first time I discovered these fantastic fishing devices, I was shocked. A fishing lure that can be recharged via any USB port. There are several types and sizes. Some are for fishing for trout, bass, and other kinds of fish. Some have LED lights, while others buzz, wriggle, or both. But they all excel at one thing: luring fish to them. You can capture a fish by dropping one of these bad boys into the water. They'll look good in your tackle box as an addition. Easy, huh? Thank you for watching. Follow for more.